Looking to take your ChatGPT experience to the next level? I've got 12 powerful prompts that will save you time, boost your productivity, and help you get more out of your digital marketing, website management, and influencer strategies. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, where we keep your WordPress sites fast, secure, and always running smoothly. Today, I'm sharing 12 ChatGPT prompts that will elevate your experience, especially if you're a website owner, digital marketer, or influencer. Whether you're looking for content ideas, SEO help, or social media strategy, these prompts will make your life easier. ChatGPT is revolutionizing how we work and optimize our time. From generating blog post ideas to writing copy, ChatGPT enhances productivity across all levels. And the best part, it's versatile. You can use it for social media strategies, content creation, and even SEO optimization. Leveraging these prompts is key to unlocking that full potential. So let's start with the first prompt, which is all about generating blog post ideas. You can ask ChatGPT to list 10 blog post ideas about XYZ. This is an absolute lifesaver when you're running out of creative fuel for new content. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just getting started, this prompt can help you brainstorm fresh, engaging topics in seconds. Imagine being stuck after months of posting regularly. One prompt and you've got 10 new directions. Make sure you're specific about your niche to get the most relevant suggestions. It can definitely optimize your workflow by speeding up the ideation process. The next prompt is perfect for those of you looking to improve your site's SEO. Ask ChatGPT to create an SEO strategy for XYZ type of website. This is a great way to get a step-by-step guide tailored to your industry. Let's say you're launching a new site or just trying to get more traffic to an existing one. This prompt will give you actionable advice like keyword targeting, on-page optimization, and link building strategies. Make sure to tell ChatGPT exactly what business or niche you're working with to get the most precise strategy. Okay, on to social media. If you're managing multiple accounts or just want a more organized approach, try this. Create a 30-day social media content calendar for this platform to promote this product. This prompt is golden for marketers, influencers, and business owners. It helps you map out your posts ahead of time, saving you the stress of scrambling for ideas last minute. Just specify the platform and product you're promoting, and ChatGPT will give you a complete roadmap of what to post and when to post it. You'll be able to focus more on creativity and less on planning. Now, let's talk email campaigns. This next prompt is great if you need to nurture leads or promote a product. Ask ChatGPT to write a 3-part email campaign for your product, including subject lines and calls to action. Emails are still one of the best ways to engage with your audience, and having a ready-to-go campaign can be a huge time saver. Whether you're welcoming new subscribers or pushing a special offer, this prompt will help you craft emails that resonate with your audience and drive action. Be clear about your goals, whether it's to increase sales or build trust, and you'll get highly relevant content. Let's move on to meta descriptions. SEO is key for driving organic traffic, and this prompt will help you generate optimized descriptions. Just ask ChatGPT to generate SEO optimized meta descriptions for a type of business website. Meta descriptions are often overlooked, but they play a huge role in click-through rates on search engines. If you've got a bunch of blog posts or product pages that need attention, this prompt will save you tons of time. Include keywords and length guidelines for the best results. For e-commerce site owners, this next one is a must. Ask ChatGPT to write a compelling product description for X product, focusing on its benefits and features. This will help you create descriptions that are not just informative but persuasive, perfect for increasing conversions. Whether you're listing a new item or revamping your product pages, having a detailed description that highlights what makes your product stand out is crucial. This prompt can turn a basic product page into a sales-driving machine by focusing on benefits rather than just features. Now, for all the YouTubers and influencers out there, here's a handy one. Ask ChatGPT to write a 2-minute YouTube script for a video about X topic. This is fantastic if you're short on time but need to push out consistent video content. It will generate a structured script with an intro, main points, and a conclusion, all tailored to your chosen topic. Whether you're creating a tutorial, product review, or informational video, this prompt will help you stay organized and on track. Just make sure you give clear instructions about the tone and style you want, whether that's formal, casual, or somewhere in between. Next up, let's talk about social media advertising. You can ask ChatGPT to create an advertising campaign for X product service targeting this audience. Include key messages and calls to action. Whether you're running ads on Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform, this prompt helps you craft a strategic, well-thought-out campaign. It will guide you through targeting the right audience, crafting compelling messages, and ensuring your call to action is crystal clear. If you're aiming for higher conversions or engagement, this will definitely streamline the planning process. A/B testing is crucial for improving your website or marketing efforts. Ask ChatGPT to list 5 A/B test ideas to optimize my website's landing page for conversions. This prompt is great for anyone looking to fine-tune their site by testing different headlines, images, or call to action buttons. Whether you're running a campaign or just trying to get more people to sign up for your newsletter, these A/B tests can help you figure out what works best. Make sure to specify what elements you want to test, and ChatGPT will give you actionable ideas. Now, for businesses launching a new product or service, here's a lifesaver. Write a press release announcing this product. Press releases can be tricky to get right, but with this prompt, you'll have a professional announcement ready to go in no time. This is ideal for sharing company news, product launches, or partnerships. It's important to give ChatGPT all the relevant details about your company, as well as any notes or key messages you want to include, so you get a well-rounded press release. Hashtags are crucial for boosting visibility, especially on platforms like Instagram and Twitter. Ask ChatGPT to list 10 trending hashtags to use for your product or your service on whichever platform you like. This will give you a set of relevant hashtags that can help you reach more users and grow your audience organically. If you're not sure what hashtags to use, this prompt can save you tons of time, helping you tap into trending topics and boost your engagement. Be specific about your niche or product to get the most targeted hashtag suggestions. Finally, influencer marketing is huge right now. Use the prompt, develop an influencer marketing plan for this service, targeting this audience. This will help you map out a strategy that includes finding the right influencers, creating outreach messages, and setting goals for engagement or sales. Whether you're launching a new product or looking to expand your reach, influencer marketing can be a game changer, and this prompt helps you get started without any guesswork. Just like these powerful prompts help you elevate your ChatGPT experience, having reliable hosting elevates your website's performance. With Rapyd Cloud, you'll enjoy fast, secure hosting that can handle all your digital marketing needs, whether it's running a blog, launching an e-commerce site, or managing multiple campaigns. Click the link in the description to try Rapyd for yourself. And there you have it, 12 powerful prompts to boost your productivity with ChatGPT. Whether you're a marketeer, influencer, or business owner, these prompts will make your workflow faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.